Hello, in this demo video, we will take a look at how the to-do list feature available in CORTIX application can be useful during maintenance activity. There are multiple ways to access the to-do list page. You can do this by using the search option to view to-do list for that site, or by browsing through the portfolio summary based on criticality of the site, or if you have received the work order details via email along with the equipment link to the CORTIX application as part of the repair work assignment. Additionally, you can get a quick summary of the to-do list using CORTIX voice briefing. All equipment categories for which there is a recommendation are displayed here. You can click on the Field Technician Mode checkbox to view only the equipment that need field action. Click on the equipment that you need to work on. You can add this equipment to your favorites list for easy access to check back after the repair. In PI section, go to Service Notes. Here you should be able to see the existing work order in progress. Provide feedback by selecting Field Visit in the Reason for Use drop-down that you are site for the repairs. Under Service Recommendation, the system-generated recommended repairs and checks are available. Go through the details before you open up the equipment for repair. You can also look at this before a visit and plan parts to carry. Sometimes it is good to know what has happened to the equipment in the past. Go to PI History section to know about the past repairs, parts that have been replaced, and equipment conditions in a timeline format. This helps you to get a clear idea about what exactly has happened in the past and what appropriate action to be taken now. Use the Filter Summary for a summary view. Here you can get a summary of the work order, parts, and recommendations. Repeat parts usage and scenarios will be highlighted. Check and complete the recommended repair and any other additional repairs necessary in the equipment. After repairs are complete, come back to CORTIX app and open the equipment using the Favorites option in the home screen, if it was already added in your favorites list. Or you can use the search option to navigate to the equipment. If the repairs carried out match with CORTIX recommendations, confirm that you have done the repair. If any additional repairs was performed, update under Additional Repairs section using Quick Search option from the existing list. In case of the fix is not available in the additional repairs, it can be updated in the comments section. Text can also be scanned if notes have been taken elsewhere. After the additional repairs are updated, then update the replaced parts under the Parts section. Part names can be added using the Quick Search option from the existing list. Scan the part number and serial number of the replaced parts. If parts are not available with you, add the parts you are planning and mark them as planned. Do remember to update the status as Waiting for Parts. In the Reason for Use drop-down, once the parts are replaced, parts that have been added as planned earlier can be updated with part number and serial number and status changed as replaced. Do remember to add the feedback of this visit also by selecting Field Visit in the Reason for Use drop-down. All the information captured will be available in a timeline format under PI History. You can also validate your work using Live Connect at site or after a day or two if the equipment has turned green. After work is complete or during any time during the visit. You can share the work history by clicking the Share option at the top. The work summary for the selected date will be available in a well-structured format to copy to another system or export to email with a CORTIX link. The same can be shared over mail to the central team, or you can use it to keep notes of the work done over email along with maintaining it in CORTIX. Thank you.